Welcome to our channel UK Cars. Today, we take a deep dive into the 1967 Jaguar 420, a British luxury saloon that blended style, performance, and sophistication. Let's explore what made this classic Jaguar a standout in the 1960s. Exterior. The Jaguar 420 had an elegant yet aggressive design, featuring a wide front grille, twin headlights, and a long, sleek body. Its chrome accents, wire spoke wheels, and signature Jaguar badging gave it a timeless appeal. The balanced proportions and smooth lines made it a head-turner, embodying the grace of British automotive craftsmanship. Performance. Under the hood, the Jaguar 420 was powered by a 4.2-liter inline-six engine, producing 245 horsepower. This allowed the car to reach 0 to 60 mph in just 9.4 seconds, an impressive figure for the time. The smooth 3-speed automatic or 4-speed manual gearbox, combined with Jaguar's advanced independent rear suspension, delivered a refined yet sporty driving experience. Interior. Inside, the Jaguar 420 exuded luxury with high-quality leather seats, polished walnut wood trim, and a classic Smith's gauge instrument cluster. The spacious cabin provided comfort for both driver and passengers, while features like a wood-rimmed steering wheel and chrome accents enhanced its vintage charm. Safety features. For a 1967 model, the Jaguar 420 was well equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, a robust monocoque body structure, and a padded dashboard. Though airbags were not yet standard, the car's solid build and responsive handling contributed to its overall safety. Price. In 1967, the Jaguar 420 had a starting price of around £2,000 in the UK, equivalent to approximately £40,000 today when adjusted for inflation. Today, well-maintained classic 420 models can sell for anywhere between £10,000 and £30,000, depending on condition and originality. Outro. That's a wrap on the 1967 Jaguar 420, a blend of British luxury and performance. What do you think of this classic Jaguar? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car content. See you in the next video.